Welcome to the lecture series of Mechanics of Solids. In this lecture, we are going to solve numericals on beam reaction. We will determine the reaction of beam. So let us start with it. So this is the example given to us and we want to work out the reaction of beam. So let us first give name to support. This is support A and this is support B. Here there are not any horizontal load, so here there will be only vertical reaction VA and VB. We want to work out vertical reaction VA and VB. So we will use here condition of equilibrium to solve this problem. We know the condition of equilibrium. The first condition of equilibrium is algebraic sum of all horizontal forces is 0. Second is algebraic sum of all vertical forces acting on the body, that should be 0. Third is algebraic sum of all moment acting at any point of a body, that is 0 if the body is in equilibrium. We will use equilibrium condition. First equilibrium condition, summation of all horizontal forces is 0 is not applicable here because no horizontal force is given. So let us start with the second condition, that is algebraic sum of all vertical forces is 0. So here we will consider upward force as positive force and downward force as negative force. We have to fix this sign convention. So we will start with here VA is acting in vertical direction. So here we can write plus VA. Now move ahead. Here 10 kilonewton force is acting in downward direction. So downward is negative. So we will write minus 10. Move ahead. 20 kilonewton force is there. It is acting in downward direction. So we will write minus 20. And finally at point B, vertical reaction VA is acting in upward direction. So it will be positive. And algebraic sum of all is 0. So we can write VA plus VB, that is equal to 30, and this is our equation 1. Now we will use third condition of equilibrium, that is summation of moment about any point, it is 0. Now when we are working out moment, we have to working out about any point. So here we will take moment about a point, so VA can be eliminated. Here we have to fix the sign convection, so let us fix clockwise direction moment is positive. So let us start working out the moment. Here VA force is acting at a point only. So its line of action is passing through the point where we are working out moment. So this will not create any moment at a point. So it will be 0. Now let us move ahead. 10 kilonewton force, it is try to rotate the beam in clockwise direction. So we can say this moment is positive. Moment we know that is force into perpendicular distance. This distance is to be worked out between the line of action of force and the point where we work out moment. So magnitude of force is 10 and the perpendicular distance, that is between line of action of force and the point where we work out moment. So distance between the 2 points, that is 2. Now let us work out moment about 20 kilonewton force. It will also act in clockwise direction, so it is to be taken positive. Force is 20, so magnitude we will write 20, and the distance between line of action of 20 kilonewton force and the point where we work out moment A, so that distance is 3 plus 2, so it will be 5. Now moment about B point, VB will try to rotate the beam in anti-clockwise direction, so it will be negative minus magnitude of force is VB and distance between line of action of this force and point about which we work out moment, that is this much. So that is equal to span of beam 3 plus 2 plus 2. So it will be 7 and the algebraic sum is 0. So let us solve this to work out VB. So we have got the vertical reaction VB. Now we will equate this value in equation number 1 to get VA. So by equating this value of VB in equation 1, we have got the value of VA, that is equal to 12.86 kilonewton. So here we will write our answer in the figure. So here we can see the load 20 kilonewton, which is larger in magnitude, it is near B. So this VB reaction is more than VA. So this is the example given to us. So in figure we have given a beam and we want to work out reaction of this beam. So first of all we will give name to the support. This is support A and this is support B. Now here there is no horizontal force, so there will be only vertical reaction. Here it will be VA and here it will be VB. So we want to work out these two reaction VA and VB in this beam. So here we have to start with condition of equilibrium. The first condition, that is algebraic sum of all horizontal forces acting on the beam, that is 0. It is not applicable because there is no horizontal force in the beam. Let us move to second equilibrium condition, that is algebraic sum of all vertical forces is 0 and we assume that upward force will be positive. So let us apply this condition. We will start with VA. VA is in vertically upward direction, so it will be plus VA. Then 15 kilonewton load which is acting in downward direction. So according to sign convection, downward force is negative. So we will write minus 15. Then move ahead 30 kilonewton downward. So it will be minus 30. Again 20 kilonewton downward. Downward is negative. So it will be minus 20. And at last VB acting in vertically upward direction. So it will be plus VB and total sum is 0. So now let us simplify it. So simplifying it, we will get VA plus VB is equal to 65. So this is going to be our first equation. Now let us apply second condition of equilibrium, that is summation of moment about any point, it will be 0. So here we will work out moment about support A. So VA can be eliminated and we can work out VB. Let us assume the clockwise moment is positive. Let us start working the moment of all forces about point A. So here VA is passing through point A, so it will not create any moment, so it will be 0. Let us work out moment created by 15 Newton about point A. So this moment will be in clockwise direction, so it will be taken plus. Moment, that is equal to force into distance. So force is 15 and distance is perpendicular distance of this 15 kilonewton from the point where we working out moment. So this distance is 1. So we'll write here 1. Now moment due to 30 kilonewton force, that will also in clockwise direction, so it is plus. Magnitude of force is 30, so here we'll write 30, and the distance between line of action of 30 and the point where we working out moment means the distance between the 2 points is 3. So we'll multiply with 3. Then moment about this point 20 kilonewton, it will also in clockwise direction. So here we will use plus sign. Force is 20, so we'll write 20, and the distance between 20 to the point where we working out moment, that is this much. So it will be 2 plus 2 plus 1. So it will be 5. And lastly, moment due to this force VB. So force is VB, but it will create the moment in anti-clockwise direction. So it will be negative. Force is VB, and the distance between line of action of force acting at B to the point where we work out moment means it is total span of beam, that is 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 6 meter, and this algebraic sum is 0. So now let us calculate VB. So simplifying it, we have got VB, that is equal to 34.17 Newton. Now we will equate this value of VB in equation 1. So on simplifying the equation, we have got VA is equal to 30.83 Newton. So let us write the value of VA VB in the figure. So this way we can solve such problems. So here a similar problem is there. This problem you have to solve yourself, and please write your answer in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt or query, please write in comment box. I will be there to help you. Thank you. Thank you very much.